In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right project, create a clear task, add the important context, assign it to the right person, set a due date, and save it so it shows up where your team expects it. First, open the Asana project where you want to add a task. You can find your projects in the sidebar or by searching, and it doesn't matter whether the project is in list or board view. The process is the same. Make sure you're in the correct project so the task lands with the right team and workflow. Next, click Add Task or the plus button. Depending on your layout, you'll see an Add Task button at the top or a small plus icon near the area where new tasks appear. Either option opens a new task draft so you can start filling in the essentials. Begin by entering the task name. Keep it short but specific so anyone scanning the project understands what needs to happen. A good task name starts with an action verb. Think draft, review, or upload, and followed by the item or outcome. You'll add more detail in a moment, so don't worry about cramming everything into the title. Now add details, instructions, or attachments if needed. Use the description area to clarify scope, list key requirements, or highlight dependencies your teammate should know about. If you have relevant files like a brief screenshot, spreadsheet, or design, attach them right here so everything lives with the task. You can also paste links to shared documents or resources. Clear context at this stage saves back and forth later and helps the assignee deliver exactly what you expect. Assign the HAL task and add a due date. Choose the person responsible for completing the work, so ownership is unambiguous. Then set a realistic due date using the date picker. This keeps the task visible on calendars and timelines and helps everyone plan around milestones. If timing is flexible, pick a target date anyway. It's easier to adjust than to chase a task with no deadline. Finally, save the task so it appears in the project. Look for the Save or Create button, or click outside the editor to confirm your changes. You should now see the task in your project's list or board. If your view groups tasks by sections or columns, it will appear in the default area for new items. That's it. Open the project, add a task, name it clearly, include helpful details or attachments, assign it, set the due date, and save. You're ready to keep your work organized and your team aligned.